The reason why most people fail to hit target when I was in the sales world was because they used all the time allotted to try and hit their target, rather than using some of the time to hit their target and having a little bit left over. It's that simple. So this is one of the top productivity hacks, but also sales hacks for me. I mean, I give a lot of tips, but this was genuinely in the game-changing box. What it is about how I viewed time. This shift in perspective made a massive difference to me. And what it is understanding you have 5 days in a week, right? And in the 5 days, you're gonna do certain things. But the problem is, no matter how much time you give yourself, you always tend to use it. So I switched my perspective, and instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 days, Monday to Thursday. Friday was for mopping up and any leftover work. So what this meant was I could hit target and probably have time left over. And what it really does is it moves you to a place where you view the week completely differently. Think right now about Mondays and Tuesdays, early in the week, right? Wednesday, midweek, Thursday, Friday, end of week. That's how we tend to view it. But my shift instead was Monday, start of the week, Tuesday, now I'm midweek, like the end of Tuesday, I'm halfway there. The world ends at the end of the day on Thursday. That's how I viewed it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, done. I'm done. So I now have to do all my work in 4 days. Friday doesn't exist. If I need Friday, then fine, but it allowed me to really focus on getting my tasks done. Then I expanded that to quarters as well. So instead of the 13 weeks in a quarter, I gave myself 10. I took a week off each month. And the reason why all this is really important is because you can't expect to have a perfect day every day. You need some redundancy built in. You need some contingency for when things screw up. Tell me, have you always had a perfect week every week? Of course you haven't. So instead you have 4 days and 1 day left over, Friday, for screwing up. You have 3 weeks in the first month of your quarter, 3 weeks in the next month, and the last month of your quarter, when you have 5 weeks, you have 4. The leftover week from each of those months are for screw ups, when stuff goes wrong. And what it allows you to do is naturalize to sure, hitting a slightly higher number each week and trying to do a little bit more each day or each week, but it does mean you have built-in contingency. The reason why most people fail to hit target when I was in the sales world was because they used all the time allotted to try and hit their target, rather than using some of the time to hit their target and having a little bit left over. It's that simple. Check out the rest of these tips here. These are all really valuable. They're the reason why my business has thrived and the reason why I get asked to help a lot of other people in theirs as well. And tell me what you think of them in the comments below.